have a car with an old bumper with a plastic details like this, it's turned gray and dull. I'll show you a quick tip on how to make them black and shiny again. You just use a heat gun with a narrow nozzle and work the surface. This car is old, so I don't care too much about the lacquer, but you can put some protection or shield it off from the area you actually blow on. Just be careful. Just make sure you don't stay in the same spot too long, because you don't want the plastic to actually melt. You just want it to get heated up and sweat. Well, you get the point. This is what it looks like now. I'll keep on doing this and you'll see the result then.
This little part took me around 4 minutes to do, but you can already see a huge difference.
After a while you'll get the hang of it. I mean, in the beginning I always move it around faster to see where the sweet spot is and when the plastic actually starts turning black. But it's better be safe than sorry, so move it around a bit more in the beginning until you know when it starts turning black. You can see it's kind of difficult with the rain, but as soon as the water evaporates, it's fine. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's done. Not perfect, but getting there. Good luck, guys.